Servicenow versus Salesforce versus Code, Best CRM and Business Management Tool 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of ServiceNow, Salesforce, and Code. So, make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, let's talk about ServiceNow. It is a cloud-based platform mainly designed for its service management ITSM and workflow automation. One of its biggest strengths is its ability to streamline business processes through automation, making it a great choice for enterprises. It also provides strong integration capabilities, allowing businesses to connect different tools seamlessly. However, ServiceNow has a complex setup, and customization requires skilled professionals, making it less suitable for small businesses with limited technical resources. Now, moving on to Salesforce. It is one of the most popular CRM platforms, widely used for sales, marketing, and customer service. Salesforce offers a high level of customization, strong AI driven analytics, and an extensive app ecosystem through AppExchange. Its cloud based model allows businesses to scale easily. However, it comes with high pricing, and its advanced features require proper training to utilize effectively. Finally, let's talk about Code. Unlike ServiceNow and Salesforce, Code is not a CRM or business management tool, but an educational platform designed to teach coding. It offers interactive lessons and courses for students and beginners interested in programming. Code is completely free and widely used in schools to introduce coding concepts. However, it lacks advanced development tools and business management features, making it unsuitable for CRM or enterprise solutions. So that's basically the main differences between ServiceNow, Salesforce, and Code, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.